Welcome to Mixed Land. Join us on an incredible journey to explore the wonders of Norway. From its charming cities to its breathtaking natural landscapes, Norway offers some of the most stunning views on Earth. Whether you're looking for an adventure or just love beautiful landscapes, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content in 4K. Let's start this unforgettable trip together. Bergen, the gateway to the fjords and one of the most stunning cities in Norway, surrounded by towering mountains and deep blue waters. Bergen is a place where nature's beauty meets rich history, often called the City of Seven Mountains. This charming destination offers colorful wooden houses, scenic harbors, and a peaceful, storybook atmosphere. At the heart of Bergen lies Bryggen, the historic Hanseatic Wharf. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features narrow alleys, old wooden buildings, and artisan shops that feel like stepping back in time. It's a perfect spot for wandering and discovering hidden gems. For the best view in town, ride the Flyben funicular up to Mount Flyen. At the top, you're treated to a breathtaking panoramic view of Bergen, with the sea on one side and mountains all around. It's a view you'll never forget. Don't forget the lively fish market, where you'll find fresh seafood, from juicy shrimp to smoked salmon. A true taste of Norway. The smells, the colors, the sounds. It's an experience that brings the city to life. Bergen is also a cultural hub, with music festivals, cozy cafes, and world-class museums. Whether you're exploring the old streets, or just sitting by the harbor, there's something truly special in the air. Even with its famous rain, Bergen feels warm and welcoming, a city that gently invites you to explore, to feel, and to fall in love with the wonders of Norway. Tromsø. Located far above the Arctic Circle, Tromsø is known as the capital of the North, and it's truly one of Norway's most magical places. In the winter, Tromsø becomes a dreamland, drawing travelers from all over the world to witness the legendary Northern Lights. With dark skies and little light pollution, it's one of the best places on Earth to see this natural wonder dancing across the night. But Tromsø is more than just lights in the sky. Surrounded by snow-covered mountains and icy fjords, the city offers stunning landscapes in every direction. Whether you're walking through the snowy streets, or taking a cruise along the coast, the views are unforgettable. The city itself is lively, and full of culture. Despite its remote location, Tromsø has a vibrant atmosphere, with cozy cafes, exciting festivals, and a rich history of Arctic exploration. Visit the Polar Museum to learn about brave adventurers, and the harsh challenges they faced in the icy wilderness. One of Tromsø's most iconic landmarks is the Arctic Cathedral, with its modern architecture and dramatic triangular shape. It's a symbol of the city, striking, bold, and peaceful all at once. In summer, Tromsø transforms once again, with the midnight sun shining 24 hours a day. The city never sleeps. Locals and visitors enjoy hiking, kayaking, and long walks under the golden light that never fades. It's a time of joy, celebration, and endless daylight. Whether you come for the lights of winter or the sunshine of summer, Tromsø offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It's a city where nature, culture, and adventure meet, all under the magic of the Arctic sky. Alesund, a coastal gem on Norway's western shore. Alesund is unlike any other city in the country. With its elegant architecture, surrounding fjords, and ocean views, Alesund is where art meets nature in perfect balance. What makes this city truly unique is its Art Nouveau style. After a devastating fire in 1904 destroyed most of the town, Alesund was rebuilt entirely in this bold and beautiful design. Walking through the streets feels like stepping into a living painting. Colorful buildings, intricate details, and curved lines create a fairy tale atmosphere. Alesund is surrounded by water, spread across several islands that are connected by bridges and tunnels. The reflections of the buildings in the harbor, along with the sound of seagulls and gentle waves, give the city a calm and magical feeling. Climb up the 418 steps to Mount Axla, and you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of the entire city, the nearby islands, and the majestic Sunnmøre Alps. It's one of the most breathtaking views in Norway, a perfect spot for photos, or just to sit and enjoy the moment. The nearby Atlantic Sea Park is another highlight, one of the largest saltwater aquariums in Northern Europe. It lets you get close to fascinating sea creatures, from seals and otters to massive cod and other deep-sea species. It's both educational and fun for visitors of all ages. Alesund is also a great base for exploring the stunning Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its dramatic cliffs and waterfalls. Whether by boat or by car, the journey through the fjords is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. From its romantic streets to its wild surroundings, Alesund is a city that stays in your heart, a place where history, creativity, and raw natural beauty come together in the most graceful way. Trondheim. Located in central Norway, Trondheim is a city where history, innovation, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. As one of the oldest cities in Norway, Trondheim holds a special place in the country's story. It was founded over 1,000 years ago by Viking King Olaf Tryggvason and served as the first capital of Norway. Today, it blends ancient traditions with a youthful energy that makes it feel both historic and alive. At the heart of the city stands the magnificent Nidaros Cathedral, the northernmost medieval cathedral in the world. With its detailed Gothic architecture, towering spires, and colorful stained glass windows, it's a masterpiece that took centuries to complete. Pilgrims and tourists alike come here to feel the deep spiritual history that lives in its walls. Just a short walk away, the charming Backlandet district invites you to explore narrow, cobbled streets lined with wooden houses, cozy cafes, and small boutiques. This neighborhood is like stepping back in time, but with a modern and relaxed vibe that makes you want to stay a while. Trondheim is also a city of innovation and education. It's home to Norwegian University of Science and Technology, NTNU, attracting students, researchers, and tech startups from around the world. This gives the city a youthful spirit, full of creativity and forward-thinking energy. For a unique experience, visit the Old Town Bridge, also known as the Gate of Happiness. It offers a perfect view of the colorful wharf buildings along the Nidelver River, especially beautiful at sunrise or sunset. Nature is always close in Trondheim. You can take a quick trip to the nearby forest trails, kayak on the river, or even enjoy winter sports in the colder months. Each season offers its own charm, from bright summer nights to cozy snow-covered streets in winter. And of course, no visit to Trondheim is complete without trying some local food. The city is known for its fresh seafood, especially Arctic char and cod. The combination of traditional Norwegian flavors and modern culinary art makes every meal memorable. Trondheim may not be the biggest city in Norway, but it has a heart that beats strong with history, culture, and a deep connection to both the past and the future. It's a place that welcomes you warmly and invites you to slow down, explore, and discover its quiet beauty. Flam. Tucked deep within the majestic fjords of western Norway, Flam is a small village with a big heart, and some of the most spectacular scenery in the entire country. Surrounded by towering mountains, cascading waterfalls, and deep blue waters. Flam sits at the inner end of the Fjord, a branch of the world-famous Fjord, Norway's longest and deepest fjord. It's a place that feels untouched by time, peaceful, quiet, and full of natural wonder. One of the most unforgettable experiences in Flam is the Flam Railway, known as one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world. In just under an hour, this scenic route takes you from sea level up to the mountain station of Myrtle, passing steep valleys, dark tunnels, lush forests, and the breathtaking Kjosfossen waterfall along the way. It's more than just a train ride. It's a journey into the heart of Norway's raw, untouched nature. The village itself is small but charming, with colorful wooden buildings, quiet paths along the water, and welcoming locals. It's the perfect place to slow down, take a deep breath, and simply enjoy the view. Adventure seekers will find plenty to do here, from fjord cruises that glide through mirror-like waters between dramatic cliffs, to kayaking and bike rides through peaceful countryside roads. Every direction offers a postcard-perfect scene for those who enjoy hiking. Flam offers trails with stunning views, like the popular Brekkøyfossen Trail, which leads to a panoramic viewpoint overlooking the village and the fjord. It's not too long, but the reward at the top is worth every step. Evenings in Flam are magical. As the sun sets behind the mountains and the fjord turns golden, there's a calmness that fills the air, a quiet beauty that stays with you long after you leave. Whether you're on a romantic getaway, an outdoor adventure, or just passing through, Flam is a destination that captures the soul. It shows you a side of Norway that's pure, peaceful, and absolutely unforgettable. Lofoten Islands. Lofoten Islands are located above the Arctic Circle, offering some of the most dramatic and awe-inspiring landscapes in the world. With their jagged peaks, white sandy beaches, and colorful fishing villages, the Lofoten Islands are a photographer's paradise. Whether you're hiking, kayaking, or simply soaking in the view, the islands offer endless opportunities to connect with nature. Lofoten is also famous for its incredible northern lights displays, making it one of the best places in the world to witness this phenomenon. The raw beauty of Lofoten will leave you speechless, and it's a place you'll never forget. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Norway. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more breathtaking travel content. See you in the next adventure.